So one of the things that you can do using ChatGPT is you can go around and take any information over here. Let's say, for example, this particular text over here, and then turn it out into another format of information. Let's say, for example, this particular information, I want to turn it into points. So I'm just going to go around and say, turn this text into points of information right here, just like this, and paste it out and press enter. So once I do that, what happens is that now you can see that the information has been converted into points over here, just like this. So that is what you have. So that is how you can go around and get information in other formats as you like. So you can see that everything has been turned into points. So now you can also go around and say, now present the same information. So present the same information as tables right here. So I'm just going to go around and do that. And what happens is that you can see the tables now. So now you can see that there's origin and development, transition from Internet Explorer, and popularity and uses in tables. So you can take in information like this and turn it into separate type of information, as you can see here, just like this. And that is how you can get information in other formats from ChatGPT. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.